A very good morning to all of you. In the last video, we had discussed how to search a file using the search box. Today, we will discuss searching file using wildcard characters. Now, firstly, what is wildcard characters? Before starting the searching using these characters, wildcard characters are special symbols that can be used to search a file or folder whose exact name you do not know. There are some time when you couldn't remember the exact name of the file or in which folder or drive your file is located. So in that case, you can use these special symbols. There are two wildcard characters. First is asterisk and question mark. These two characters are commonly supported in Windows to search any information. Firstly, we will discuss using wildcard character asterisk. You can also pronounce it as a star. The wildcard character star can be used to replace a string of text in a search term that means any type and number of characters in its place. So, in a search term where this character star or asterisk is placed, in that particular character you can replace it with a string of text, and string of text can be any type and number of characters. We will discuss the examples. Firstly, L star dot star will search all files whose names start with capital L followed by any number of characters and have any extension. So here first letter is given of the file name, that is capital L. So all the files are searched whose name starts with L followed by any number of characters. Why any number of characters? Because here star is written, and wherever star is written, it has to be replaced with a string of text. So starting with L, and it can contain any number of characters. After it, dot, after dot is extension, and extension can also be any number of characters, as in place of extension there is also a symbol of star. That means extension can be of 3 letters, 4 letters or 5 letters. So the file will be searched whose name starts with L, and it can have any extension as well as any number of characters in its name. Starting with L. Example, letter dot docx, comma, lottery dot pptx, comma, locality dot txt, and so on. These files are searched. All the files have the first letter L followed by any number of characters, and the extension also have any number of characters. First extension has 4 characters, secondly also 4 characters, and last is 3 characters. So this wildcard character can be used to specify any number of characters. It is often used in file searches so that full name need not to be typed. Here also full name is not written, only starting letter is written and rest is denoted by star symbol. Second example, star dot docx. It will search all the files having extension as docx. Here extension is written. So all those files who have this extension, that is word files, will be searched, and it can have any name because in place of name there is only star. So star is replaced with the string of text. Third example, L star dot docx. Here the first letter of file will be L followed by any number of characters because star is written here and star need to be replaced with a string of text, and its extension has to be docx, that means word file. First and third, you will understand the difference here. Here L star dot star, that means extension can be any, but starting file name should be L. Here starting file name has to be L and it can have any number of characters, but the file should have the extension .docx. That means here only word files need to be searched. Here all the files will be searched whose name starts with capital L. Here files will be searched whose name starts with L but it has the extension .docx. Only word files need to be searched. Now second one, using wildcard character question mark. The wildcard character question mark can be used in place of any single letter or symbol. In asterisk, it will be replaced with a string of text where this symbol is written. But in wildcard characters question mark, this character is used if we want to search only single letter or a symbol. It may be used to represent a single character anywhere in the word. A question mark matches a single character, and here string of text need to be searched and here only single character. First example, kips question mark .docx. So it will search the files whose name begins with kips followed by only one character because only one question mark is here and single question mark matches single character or a single letter, single symbol, and it has the extension .docx. Only word files are searched whose name starts with kips and followed by only single character. Examples, kips single character, it is replaced with the single character, that is 1. .docx. Kips p.docx, and so on. Clear? In place of star, string of text has to be written or searched. In place of question mark, only single character need to be searched. Example is here, only one question mark is here, so only single character has been searched, rest file name will be saved. Second example, kips 3 question mark, that means kips followed by 3 characters .docx, and it has the extension .docx. It will search for all the files whose name begin with kips followed by any any 3 characters and extension as .docx. Here is only one character for kips followed by one character. Here kips followed by 3 characters because 3 question mark is here. Next, the wildcard characters star and question mark can also be used in a combination. We can also use both the wildcard characters in a single search. The question mark dot asterisk, that means it will search all the files. See, question marks dot asterisk, it will search all the files whose name contain only a single character because here is only single question mark, but its extension can have any number of characters. See, name contain only one character and have any extension. Example, L.docx, R.pptx, E.txt. So we can also use both the characters in a combination to search a file. Next, KIPS star dot 3 question mark. That means extension should contain a 3 characters and the file name begins with KIPS followed by any number of characters. It will search all files whose name starting with KIPS followed by any character after that and having any extension of 3 characters. Extension cannot be more than 3 characters because here is only 3 question mark. But the starting name is KIPS. After that it can be followed by any number of characters because star is written here. I hope these two wildcard characters are clear to you with the help of these examples. Tip: you can also find a file folder by clicking on the search box at the bottom of the open window in a particular folder or library such as documents, pictures, music, video, and then typing the relevant keyword or a text. So you can also find a file or a folder simply by clicking on the search box at the top of the open window in a particular folder. Any window that is opened in a particular window, there at the top search box is located. By clicking on it and type the relevant keyword which you want to search, and you can find the file or a folder as well. Understanding different file formats. Students, you might have noticed that while finding a file folder using wildcard characters, you made use of the file format of the file. Here we had discussed the examples. Here we had written the extension .docx, .pptx, .txt, .html. So these are the file extension. But you are aware of what file format is? Let us understand the concept of file format. Different type of files can be stored in the computer. Example: text documents, image files, presentation, etc. As you all are aware that different type of files can be stored in the computer. You can create a text document, you can create an image file, you can store a presentation, even the Word file, HTML files. Each type of file has a different file format associated with it. If it is a text file, it has the association of extension that is .txt. If it is a Word file, .docx. If it is a PowerPoint file, .pptx. So different type of files have different type of file format associated with it. A file format is a standard way for encoding information in a computer file. So file format is a standard way using which we can encode our information in a computer file. It is indicated by the file extension. File format is indicated by the file extension that is placed at the end of the file name and that is separated by period. And it contains 3 or 4 characters. File format is specified with the help of a file extension, and file extension contains 3 or 4 characters that is appended at the end of the file name, separated by a dot. Its specified bits are used to encode information in a digital storage medium. It allows computer users to quickly identify the nature of the file content. An extension can contain letters or numbers, but it cannot contain control characters, slashes, question marks or asterisk sign. Now, these are the different file formats that we commonly use. First is document. A file saved in Microsoft Word has the extension .doc or .docx. This is clear. Any file that we created in Microsoft Word and save it, it has the extension .doc or .docx. Spreadsheets. A spreadsheet created in MS Excel has the extension .xls or .xlsx. So file that is created in MS Excel has these extensions. Image file. Image are usually saved with number of file format .gif, .jpg, .png, .tiff. So these are the different file formats that are associated with different type of files that are created in computer. It can be document file, it can be spreadsheet file, it can be image file. But to recognize these different type of files, we need to identify its extension, as extensions are not same in all the files. Audio file, the audio files are saved with an extension .mp3, .wav, etc. The video file is saved with the extension .mp4. Presentation, a presentation created with MS PowerPoint is saved with an extension .ppt or .pptx. The file type is also indicated with its file icon. For example, Word has this icon, PowerPoint file has this icon, and Excel has this icon. We can even identify the file type with the help of its file extension, as well as with the help of its file extension, as well as with the file icons that are associated with that file. Thank you, students.